Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today we're tackling something super common, your Mac dock getting cluttered, icons going missing, or just not feeling right after months of customizing. Maybe you've added too many apps, changed sizes, or even lost some defaults. Whatever the case, resetting the dock to its factory fresh state is quick, easy, and works perfectly on the current macOS Tahoe 26, even with its stunning liquid gloss design. First, open Terminal. Hit Command plus space for Spotlight, type Terminal, and launch it. Once it's open, copy and paste this exact command on the description box of this video, then hit Return. Watch what happens. The dock vanishes for a split second, then, poof, it reappears looking brand new. All your added apps are gone, removed ones, like default stock apps, come back. Sizes reset, position goes back to the bottom, magnification, auto-hide, everything returns to how it was when you first set up your Mac. A quick heads up, if you've uninstalled any Apple apps like Pages, Keynote, or Numbers, they might show up as question mark icons. Just drag them off the dock or reinstall from the App Store. That's it. No restarts needed, no complicated steps. This trick has been rock solid for years and still shines in macOS Tahoe 26. So give it a try next time your dock feels off. It's one of those hidden macOS gems that feels like magic. If this helped, drop a like, comment what your dock looks like now, and subscribe for more quick tips. Until next time, keep creating and take care. See ya!